plates.
So they are Democrat.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's why. We're gonna put the gas now here. Like her traffic here, look.
There is.
Okay.
There just is not be. So we're gonna pull all the way up
We're
here.
in the Henderson County.
Some gas or brewskis.
Let's go back to the road again. That's how the freeway. Interstate 70. Lexington. A shortcut lang?
Yes, taking the freeway. We took a shortcut.
Because last time it looked like take forever.
Because we went down 62 to the cutoff road and then went through the mountains to get here.
So we didn't. This is the first time we use this road here.
No, we've done this before.
Oh really?
When we were going fishing, we hurried up and came.
Yeah.
I just forgot how close it was from the freeway. It's not very far at all.
I know how many miles in?
2.5 miles.
Oh, that's like what's that? 15 minutes? 20 minutes?
No, probably more like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh, dang. They're very close. Going to the north town.
Because it's hot out, hopefully it won't be full of people, but I doubt it.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
I'm hoping they're not dumping any water, and then that means the river will be way down.
Yeah. Back to the wilderness again.
See, that would be a cool house to have.
It's not that far for the highway. Oh, really? Oh, that's for sale for you with that.
Mountain Lake Marina. North Dam State Park. Dang, we're in the state park already.
Yeah.
Maybe there's grizzly bears out, or
Are we gonna take a picture? We cannot stop it, huh?
we can, but not right here because there's no place to pull off.
That's what I'm saying. No place inside.
If I see a place
Shoulder.
to pull off, you can.
We don't have shoulder. Shoulder road. The whole out.
That looks like a fun drive too.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the way we go back.
Look at how pretty. It just look like they're in the movie, you know.
West Campground, East Campground.
That's Norris
State Park. That's a campground down here, Libby.
Oh. But we are not gonna go camping because you cannot sleep right. It'd be nice to be camping close here, love. Sometimes.
Yeah. Well, if I retire, I'm still thinking we'd get us a used van and gut it and make it into a camper.
Our truck is still fine. We just get the spoon.
No,
Can
it's
sleep
not long
good.
enough.
No, love, it's your feet in there. That's fine for me. And the back, because we
Yeah,
stay
for
like,
you, for you, but not for me.
no, love. You know that foam, love, that they have in Amazon? They just put the air and then,
Yes,
That's-
dear, but you still need a topper.
I know. But I
What we
see,
need is a van.
I seen some topper, truck topper.
Okay, what do we got going on here?
This is
I
another
think this is maybe the ranger station. I don't know.
ranger station.
Or is it a house?
It's a house.
Oh no, it's a motel.
Restaurant.
Yeah, a hotel.
Hotel,
Yeah,
restaurant.
they look like they got rooms to rent there too.
Whoever gonna stay.
Henderson County again.
Maybe that's on the private thing.
No, it's not. North
Where-
Dam
North
West
Dam.
Outlook.
Slow. Where's Louis Louisiana?
Campbell County, North Dam, West Outlook. Do you want to go down through there?
Sure. There's the North Dam.
This will give you the outlook of looking at the dam.
Yeah. This is overlooking here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I've never been here, love.
I don't think we've been to this
No.
site.
No, we never. We go on the Ogo direct down there.
Oh yeah, you can see where the cars drive
Yeah.
over.
That's why we go last time. We never came here. Look at that water here. That's nice.
See if
Now we are in the Norris Dam Park. Ah. That'd be nice. Look at how pretty, love. Yeah,
drinking some water.
I know.
Though not on tomato.
We never been here. Wow. Because usually we've been there.
See the houseboats where people live on the water?
Oh, really? So that's the houseboat, guys.
We should live on one of them.
People live there. I don't mind.
Go cruising around.
Yeah. Wow, we're first time here, love.
They have big trout in that lake too.
So look at that pretty, beautiful. Going to cross to the dam. Norris Dam, guys. As you can see, they are pretty. Wow, look at that. There's more car, more people because it's a Sunday.
This is the marina.
Marina. Right here.
We've been by here before, but going that way.
Yeah. But we never go this way.
Yeah, we're going this way.
So I have picture or video to upload my YouTube.
There's all the houseboats that you were looking at from up on top of the hill.
Yeah. Now people live there.
Henderson County again.
So Norris Dam is a Henderson County there.
In Campbell County. Maybe a little bit of Columbia.
They're mixing.
There's this sign that says Norris right there.
And then there's the houseboat.
And then there says Norris right there.
Yeah, there's a
On the
Norris.
tower.
Tower.
1936.
1936. This is a really old.
There's the. It's open now.
Last time it's open.
No, it's never been open.
Sa Norris Dam. Yan, napakainit. 90 degree. Ayan yung Norris Dam, guys. They dump the water. This is an old Norris Dam, 1936. Ayan, look at this. So we're back home after our road trip. Still on the Norris Dam. The trees. Very pretty. How long we've not been here? It's like,
See anybody on it, but I do see a bunch of cars down here.
oh, brother, there are people swimming.
Not as many as you would think. Oh, well, did we have a dead critter on the road? I don't think so, Mommy.
But why do you have some car worker?
No, they're just down checking it out, like maybe me and you.
Oh,
Pretty hot down there.
it is hot.
And they're not spilling any water, I don't think, from the bottom. It's all coming off the top.
Yeah.
Which, oh, yeah, there's somebody down there fishing on a boat.
Yeah.
Because there's no Rapparooskies. It's the boat.
Yeah, there's people who fishing there. There's canoe.
But they're not spilling any water out of the... Yeah, there's boats down there too.
Yeah, somebody's fishing.
Do you want to get out or just not?
No, because it's so hot.
So there's not...
Oh, this is a fishing area.
Oh, it turns into dirt road.
Yeah, this is a fishing.
Yeah, because it's the old mill, see?
Oh, yeah.
That's where they used to use the water to turn to grind the wheat.
Oh, I see. It's been nice. Look at that wheel.
See, because there's a stream that comes down through here.
And that's gonna get the water,
It
love?
makes the water turn, see?
Mm.
See the water coming down
Yeah,
off the mountain?
so that's the electric though? That's nice.
Do you want to go down this dirt road or no?
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
We go to the wilderness.
Yes, we are.
This is on the wilderness.
I don't know where this road goes. What's this sign say?
They said, I don't know. Norris Dam in something.
Some permit.
Maybe this is a fishing area.
I don't think there's enough water in that creek for fish, though.
But where is this
There
going?
could be some little ones, but as you
Yeah,
can
there's a
see,
little one.
There's no big ones.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the little pond back here. See the little
Yeah,
spillway?
I told you right there. Oh.
Wow.
Right there.
Look at the big turtle.
Oh, yes, right there. I seen it.
Mm-hmm.
There's a big turtle. You see,
It's a big old snapper.
snapper.
Do you want to keep going down this road or turn around?
You can turn around if you want.
Good, I don't want to be eating that dust.
Yeah. Hey guys. Picnic area.
Why don't you video it coming down?
Yeah.
That's right.
That's what I did. Gift shop. Okay. We're going to the top. There's, wow. What's here?
And they can shut the water off by dropping the gate, and then it diverts down that waterfall. See what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
If they want to shut it down for maintenance, that's how they turn it off.
Okay. Go. Careful. That's nice.
Where's the grain? Aren't we grinding some?
No, not anymore.
I know.
Nah, no more. Oh, I need this thing here. Is this rice meal? Isa. What do you call that?
Magnet.
Magnet. That one?
Yeah.
There's a magnet, small one.
Is that a patch or
No, it's a patch.
it's a magnet?
The Norris one. The Norris thing. Actually, this is the rice thing here, the old one. So just put the corn in here and then grind it like the old style. It will come out here. Huh?
Yes.
Oh, that's the old one.
Yeah, it's workers.
Yeah. That's cool.
Why don't you get this?
Okay. Yeah, I get one. How much is that? Oh, this right here. Oh.
These are magnets too.
Norris.
This one says Norristown
Park.
State Park.
Yeah.
Is that what you want, that one?
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Is that it?
Yeah.